If you're like me and you have some older cars with smaller cup holders, they don't quite fit these big containers we have. This is a car cup holder expander with a phone holder. They sent this to me to review, and I am thankful for that. Here is the phone holder, and here's the cup holder right here. You can see it has this big old honkin' cup holder. Then this part, this base fits into your existing one, and then you can twist it to expand as such, so it fits. It has this nice anti-slip mat right here, little rubber grips right there to hold it into place, and you basically, it has these 3 different slots. You can offset it however you want with this provided screw and screwdriver. You just put this in, you can see screws right there. There's 3 holes, 1 hole on here. Put it together and then screw it into the slot which best suits your needs to how you want to offset it. So this is the whole unit right here. It has a spot for your phone. Even fits my 14 Pro Max with the big case, so this will fit just about any phone. There's also a little rubber mat that goes in here, and you know, you can also, it has room for your cable to go, so you could charge your phone. Have your cable right here. There's space for it, so you can still charge your phone while it's in this holder. And then you just twist this. I have it centered, not offset, but it is a nice feature that you can offset this as well. Let's go put it in my old truck. All right, so you got this problem. This is a 2002 Sierra Denali, and the lower trim trucks actually had cup holders that fit bigger drinks, but you go to put, you know, a big tumbler in now, and that's going to spill everywhere. And I've made this mistake. And then I've spilled it all over my truck because I don't want to sacrifice my coffee. Here's an even smaller size one. It fits okay, but still not great. Sometimes you need this big guy, or I want to bring both. So a good solution to that is you just put this in here, and you can adjust that down to expand it. Then look, boom. And it still doesn't interfere with the other drink. I can put my cell phone right in here, and it's also a little higher. Look at, I can just grab it, have the armrest right here, just grab it instead of having to reach down like this, grab the top. It's perfect. It makes it more applicable to a modern truck. And the amenities, have my cell phone right here, super nice, and you can offset this as well to help. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.